Hi, welcome back. Here is the challenge 5. You are familiar with these programs. These programs are part of challenge 1, but now you have to write this program using the concept of functions. You will try to implement all the 4 types of functions to write these programs. I will be providing the solution for the first program in all 4 ways. You also try to write the other 2 in all 4 types so that you will get a clear idea how the user defined function works. So give it a try. In the next video, I will be covering the types of parameter passing in user defined functions. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.